So, you guys, I need you guys following along. Like I said, last couple days I've been out, so I need you guys, trying really hard to get caught up to what you need to get caught up. So, area of a sector and arc length. So, you guys on your table of contents will have the right thing on there. Now, with your calculator, I'm going to start you off in a degree mode. So, a whole circle is 360 degrees, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's why it's going to be part of 360. So, I need you guys to take your calculator, and I'm going to go through it with you right now. And we're going to change the calculator to degrees. So, some of you might already be in degree. Let me use this one so everyone could see it a little bit better.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go to my scratch pad here. So my scratch pad, if you notice, mine says radian. This is where you look to see if it's going to be degree or radian.
What's radian for?
Radian is measuring a circle in terms of pi. So a whole circle is 2 pi in radian. Okay, it's what we use in trigonometry and calculus. Calculus, everything is measured in by radian. Okay, all right.
What year is
What year?
it? How are you gonna take that?
You could, as a senior, take trigonometry, where we'll be doing radian, or if you go to pre-calculus, you would also be doing radian. You might be doing some of it in algebra 3, 4 too, depending on. Yeah, you might, depending on your level or who's the teacher you have. Okay? All right, so I'm going to show you guys right now. So I'm going to do document, settings, document settings. Right here it says angle, so we're going to change this to degree. Make default. Okay. So that should be an easy start there. Okay, so the area of a sector is going to be whatever the measure of the arc. So if we're thinking about this as a slice of pie, this is the piece that I'm looking for. So that is the arc, just a small little piece I have, the measure of the arc. So that's 65. So I'm going to do this one. So it's going to be 65 divided by 360 times pi. My radius is going to be from the outside to the center, is going to be 4 squared. So, control, divide,
That's it?
65, hold on. Yeah, over 360 times pi, and then 4 squared. Enter.
9.1.
So yeah, it'd be 9.1. So, what are my units on this though?
Inches.
It's what?
Inches.
Yes. 9.1 inches square. Why is it square? Area. Okay. There we go. Now let's take a look at this the next example. Okay, I want you guys to do this one. Okay, set this one up right now. I want everyone in class right now doing this. What's up? Oh, okay, not yet. Okay. So, are we there? Has everyone got it set up? At least. So, let's start off with 90 over times pi times squared. Approximately what? 31 point 31.4?
314.
314?
Yeah.
It's 314.1.
314 point what?
To
159?
Yeah.
159, so it should be 2.
I got 15.
Huh?
I got 314.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me check this. Yep, 314.2. Yeah, because the 5 is going to make the 1 go up.
Okay.
And that's going to be in
See? I was right.
meters squared. Just off by the decimal. Okay, so now this is, listen please. This is talking about the slice of pizza. This is talking about the pizza crust. So the arc length is the pizza crust. Area of the sector is going to be the pizza itself, right? Yes. I'm not showing you. Oh, dang it. Okay, sorry. Ugh. Okay, let's try this again. So, this is the pizza. Arc length is pizza crust. Okay, so that's the difference in between these two right here. So the pizza with all the toppings and all that other stuff is this, where arc length is just the pizza crust.
Do you like olives in the pizza?
Yeah, and pineapple too.
Well, pineapple's good. Olives are nasty.
Who will die?
Depends on what type of olives you get.
You don't like
What's
pineapple?
that?
Pizza go die.
The sour ones.
Go die.
Okay. Now, listen please. Okay, so on this one right here,
People don't like pineapple.
Moises, please. Hey,
You don't like pineapple?
please.
Sorry.
Okay, the arc measure, arc length in centimeters, inches, feet, etc. Okay, so it's not area anymore, is it?
No.
No, it's not area. It's just going to be the crust around it.
Diameter.
It's kind of like the circumference. Circumference would be just the distance around the outside. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so it's the measure of the arc. So in this case, it would be 90 divided by 360, because my whole circle is 360, times pi. What does the D stand for? Diameter. So it's not radius squared, it's going to be diameter. So let's do this. It's 90
No, you said distance.
It's a diameter.
over 360 times pi. And the diameter. What is going to be the diameter of this circle?
40.
It is 40. Very good, because diameter is all the way across. Diameter is going to be 40 because it's distance all the way across the circle. Radius is only from the center to the edge, but the diameter is from edge to edge through the center. Yeah.
So you don't put square now?
It's not square because I'm only talking about the crust around the outside. It's not the area. All right, so go ahead, put this in the calculator, please. And on this case right here, I get 31.4. So the measure around the outside is going to be 31.4.
Meters?
Yep. It's not square.
The other one is meters also, right?
It's meters square though, because it's area. Okay? Alright, now, excuse me, you guys. Alright, these are your problems for your practice. Right here, here's a pizza, area of a sector. Doesn't eat the crust. Figure out the crust. Measure the crust. Now find the area of these. Find the arc length here. Straightforward. Alright, you guys got the rest of class. Make sure you finish. Like, share, and subscribe.